Wow! Look who's here! Meet my friends. A alligator. A apple. B beaver. B bee. What do we need to craft the first letter? We need green paper, googly eyes, white paper, scissors, and a cutter, a ruler, a pencil, and some glue. Let's have fun and get crafty! Take your green piece of paper, your ruler, and your pencil. Draw the lines to make the letter A for alligator, like I'm doing. Nice work! Draw a small rectangle on the same piece of paper. Take your scissors and cut it all out. Use the cutter to remove all the excess parts. Then add some glue to the back of the rectangle and paste it to the main part. Almost done. Now take a white piece of paper and cut off a small piece. Divide it into 3 parts. Draw small triangles, just like I'm doing. Use your cutter and cut out the parts. We just made teeth for our alligator. Be careful, they're sharp. Up next, eyes. Paste 1, 2 googly eyes. That looks amazing! Take your red piece of paper, your pencil, and your ruler. Follow me and let's draw the outline of the letter A for apple. Then, when you're all done, cut out the letter. On a green piece of paper, draw a small circle. On the other side, draw a leaf. Then, you know what to do. Cut it all out. Use your marker and draw some lines, just like I'm doing. Then, add some glue to both parts and stick it to the letter. Nice work! We're moving on to the next letter, B. On a brown piece of paper, follow me and let's draw the letter B for beaver. Perfect! When you're all done, cut out the letter. Use your cutter to remove the inner parts of the letter. Remember, be careful with the cutter. Beavers have tails. Did you know that? On a black piece of paper, draw a tail. Up next, it's time to draw the teeth. Beavers have sharp, white teeth. Draw 2 teeth on the white piece of paper. When you're all done, add some glue to the back of the tail, the 2 googly eyes, and the teeth. Stick it all together. There we have it, B for beaver. The letter B. On a yellow piece of paper, take your black marker and draw the outline of the letter. When you're all done, and you know what to do, cut out the letter. Take a black piece of paper and draw a small circle. Good job! Then cut off some extra strips. These have tiny little wings, so on a white piece of paper, draw some wings. When you're all done, add some glue to all the parts. The inner part of the letter, the small wings, the strips, and don't forget the googly eyes. B. Nice work. A for alligator. A for apple. B for beaver. B for bee. You are a true magician. I want to invite you to our Novakid Magic Academy. See you soon!